September is Life Insurance Awareness Month, so this is a great time and a great reminder to consider what matters most to you. So here to help us, Pat Ricketts with Vintage Financial Group joining us. Good morning.
Good morning. My pleasure to be here.
Yeah, I mean, a very important topic. Talk to us why people really should buy life insurance.
Yeah, September is a great month just to pause for our viewers to say, what does matter most? Is it the people? Is it the experiences, the activities? What's most important to you? Just last night, it was a perfect night. We were having a bonfire with my family, and I sat back and looked and I said, this is what matters most. It's the people I love. And essentially, that's what life insurance is talking about. It's insuring not only for yourself, but it's for the ones you leave behind. The reasons people do buy life insurance, it is for to be able to pay for final expenses, burial costs, it's to replace an income, and to pay down your mortgage, clean up any debt. And so that's really what matters most. It's not for you, it's for the ones you leave behind.
And talk about the cost, because I think sometimes people have a misconception that it's too expensive, they can't afford it, or maybe they don't think it's worthwhile. Tell us about that. I mean, the different options.
Yeah, absolutely. Most people do think it is expensive. It is actually very affordable. A study by LIMRA and Life Happens conducted a study and stated 80% of people actually overestimate the cost of life insurance. It actually can be about the cost of a cup of coffee. So if you skip the $5 latte once a week, in a given month, you can basically cover your costs. When we talk about life insurance, you really need to ask yourself, what amount do I need? What do I need to cover, and what is the term? The most basic is term insurance that potentially has a conversion privilege to convert to permanent life insurance later on as you evaluate that. But always ask yourself, let's make sure I have the right death benefit amount, and then what is the right coverage for my specific need at this place and time.
Well, in a perfect world, everyone would have life insurance, but really, if you had to pick and choose, who are the most people maybe more critical to have it?
Yeah, the triggering events usually becomes a time is when you start a family. When you get married and look to start a family and say, okay, when I'm evaluating this, if I'm not here, how am I going to protect the ones I leave behind?
Talk to us about the process. What is it like to get help, or is it pretty simple that you can go through yourself?
Yeah, when you're looking to evaluate life insurance, a lot of times it is projected through your employer. You get that basic coverage, but beyond that, you should off the cuff, you should really have about 7 to 10 times your salary as an income replacement. Okay, you can get it online, you can get it through your employer, and then you can work with a financial advisor to get it as well. When you talk about getting life insurance, it's the things you evaluate as saying when should you get it. That's a question that often gets asked, and now is the time to get it. You're never going to be younger, probably not going to get any healthier. So as you evaluate life insurance, insurance companies price it based on age and a health assessment. So that now is the time to really evaluate getting and looking at getting life insurance.
Now, before we let you go, tell our viewers where they can get more information.
Yeah, vintagefinancialgroup.com is our website, and so we're a local financial advising firm, an independent firm that can evaluate your life insurance needs to determine what is the right amount of life insurance for you and your family to move forward.
Important information. Pat, thanks for joining us this
morning.
morning.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you.